Foxgloves galore in late spring, soft tones of purple. And this is our color this early summer. Brighter and bolder colors. Do you like them? Please join me for a short tour. Ornamentals this time. This is Romulo's kitchen and garden. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to my garden. Have you noticed a change? Yes, the palette has changed. This used to be dominated by purple, and now we have just dashes of purples, accents of purples. It's now dominated by strong colors. Look, from here, strong colors there. Also, here at the back, touches, whispers of light colors. But indeed, it has become strong. The colors have become strong. Look at this. Lilies, dark red or even red orange. Look how are they flanked with this red. They look beautiful. I think we can have a close-up here. And if we flank towards our left here, the light pink colors are almost gone. These are the last. Yeah. There's a shy, isolated color here. I forgot what this flower is. Yeah. But on this side, there are more interesting. Oh my lord, this has been burnt by the sun. Yeah. The sun, or the temperature reached 37 degrees last Tuesday. Many plants were severe. Look, but the story also is on this soft fruits here, berries next to the flowers, edible. I'm still waiting for the flowers to come here. They're not yet here. But I think in 2 more weeks, this arrangement here will be bearing flowers. Also strong colors, strong violet, which hopefully will well contrast with the yellows here. They're coming. I think in a few days' time, we will be seeing yellows here. And here are the stronger yellows. Or yellow green. Stronger yellow greens. And presenting my latest. I just installed this rose arch for this. But while waiting for these 2 roses to occupy and fully cover this arch, look, let's have a close-up how dreamy this rose is. Beautiful. What's the name again? Let's show it. But for the meantime, at this season, it's being covered with this permanent, what are they called? Sweet peas. Beautiful. Also from this side, it's yet to grow. Not many at this time. It's still early in summer season. There are more, but let's do that, I think, in weeks time, in 4 weeks time. But there are other bright colors here. Yellow here and the toned down white here. There are more here. Still to come. Yeah. The dahlias are coming. Our first bloom. Oh, there's another here. Look at the arrangement. Dahlias at the bottom, and on the upper part are sweet peas. Purple contrasting with yellow. This is thought. Not well thought, but thought. Here, red, purple dahlias. More to come. And on the porch here, what are they called?
Geranium.
They're called your geraniums. Something irritated my eyes. I think we'll end our tour now at this point. We'll come back for more beautiful flower updates in 3 to 4 weeks when these are in full bloom. Thank you for joining me today. See you on my other videos. Don't go away yet because we're returning to the flowers individually, closer to look at the bees. FYI, I'm growing flowers not only for the views, not only for their beauty, but also for bees. The garden, vegetable and fruit gardens need bees for pollination. The bees help in fertilizing the flowers to eventually develop into fruits. So more flowers means bees, and more bees means more harvest. That's nature.